Hi everyone, Mike Holmes here. If you've been watching my shows, you know I'm a big fan of smart technology. In my own home, I have a smart security system, smart lighting, and smart deadbolts. I love the peace of mind and the convenience. And we install Schlage smart deadbolts on all our projects. We love working with Schlage. They're all about innovation, convenience, and most importantly, security. Speaking of innovation, I'm so excited to talk about the new Schlage Encode Plus Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt. So what's new about this deadbolt? The Schlage Encode Plus is one of the first to support Apple's latest enhancement to the HomeKit experience with Home Keys capability. With Home Keys in your Apple Wallet, you can just tap your iPhone or Apple Watch to unlock the door. That's smart. There you go. An even simpler way to unlock your home. Here's another cool feature. You don't even need to unlock your iPhone or your Apple Watch to unlock your door. Just tap, that's all. The Schlage Encode Plus deadbolt is compatible with iOS and Android devices if you have the Schlage Home app, and you can also use Alexa or Google Assistant to control your lock.
Who's here? Alexa, open the front door.
Opening front door.
I love being able to lock and unlock my door remotely with my Schlage deadbolt. You can set up to 100 access codes and give people temporary access as well. Comes in handy when you have a contractor going in and out of your home. Now, controlling your door has become even easier with the Schlage Encode Plus Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt. Security, convenience, peace of mind, and that's why we trust our homes and our projects to Schlage.